alignment should be part of any maintenance schedule. It's even recommended inside the owner's manual. But in some cases, the customers bring their car to you because they think they need alignment, because chances are they probably hit something. If you're doing an alignment, you have to worry about more than just caster, camber, and toe. For the most part, those angles are adjustable, but there are certain diagnostic angles that you need to make sure that you look at on your machine. And this is the benefit of having a modern machine. The first diagnostic angle that you should be looking at with your machine is the setback. The setback is a measurement of how the tires are positioned on the vehicle. The setback can show you that there may be damage in one corner of the vehicle that you should investigate and inspect and probably replace some of the suspension parts. The other angle to pay attention to is the steering axis inclination, or the Ackerman angles in some cases. This is the angle that shows how the steering works with the caster and also the toe. It also shows how the steering system is performing. If there is a bit part, let's say a tie rod end or even a steering arm on the knuckle, that will cause issues, and the customer could be experiencing uneven tire wear or issues with the steering feeling unstable or the whole vehicle feeling unstable. So if you're doing a maintenance alignment on a vehicle, take a look at these additional angles. They can provide you with a lot of information on the status of the suspension or if anything is bent on that front end or even in the rear. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.